Where jealousy and selfish ambition exist, there is disorder and every foul practice. Where do wars and where do the conflicts among you come from? Is it not from your passions that make war within your members? You covet, not covet. You covet, but you do not possess. You kill and envy, but you cannot obtain. You fight and wage war, and you want to kill one another. My dear friends, the greatest is the smallest. Logic, conversion. The greatest is the smallest is the greatest. The greatest is the humblest. The greatest is the selfless. But the smallest is the greatest. The smallest is the noblest. God raises the lowly, but humbles the proud and the mighty. Amen.